Welcome to the FBI Virtual Reality Training Program, Agent Miller. After this training program, you will be able to move around and complete your latest assignment. Look at your hands and familiarize yourself with your newly assigned controllers. Locate the grip buttons and squeeze them with your middle fingers. Good work, Agent. These buttons will allow you to grab any item you find in the world and to pull open certain doors as well. Don't worry, Agent Miller. I will show you how that works in just a few minutes. Next, use your index fingers to press the trigger buttons on your controllers. Very good, Miller. These buttons will help you open certain drawers found in the world. Now try pressing the glowing buttons with your thumbs. That's it, Agent Miller. You're getting the hang of this. The Y button will lower your height level. This will enable you to reach items that are lower to the ground. Go ahead and give it a try. That was impressive. You must have graduated top in your class. The B button will increase your height back to starting position. Go ahead. Once again, you surpassed all reasonable expectations. Maybe you should consider asking for a raise. The menu button will bring up a special device known as the tablet. Go ahead and try that now. That was absolutely spectacular. You are such a natural, Agent Miller. If you press the grip button with your middle finger, you will be able to grab the tablet. Let's try that now. Wow, now that was a thing of beauty. You are like a finely tuned machine. Use your index finger to turn on the tablet. Look for the glowing red button and press it using your index finger. Place your hand on the fingerprint scanner you see displayed on your screen. See that door in front of you? Use the thumbsticks to make your way over to the door. Now, press and hold your grip button to open the door. You will see it highlight. Let's try grabbing that folder from the desk. When the item highlights, press the grip button with your middle finger to grab the folder. If you let go of the grip button, you will drop the item. That was so subtle and elegant. You are quite the man, aren't you, Agent Miller? Now, one last thing. Try opening the drawer by pressing the trigger button with your index finger.
p.m., February 22nd. Agent David Miller beginning Blue Rose investigation into the extreme spike in murders, mysteries, and disappearances in the town of Twin Peaks. Having spent the past few days studying the archivist's dossier, it's fair to say this case is as blue as they come. If this mysterious archivist is a source as reliable Gordon assures me, then I'm going to need to be prepared for anything. Fortunately, if there's one thing that this job teaches you, it's to expect the unexpected.
Attaboy, Miller. That's the ticket. I think you are ready. Sit back, relax, and welcome to your new assignment. I hope I can see you again sometime. Give me a call when you aren't busy. I will be waiting, Miller.
Welcome, Agent Miller. Glad you could make it. Please, have a seat. Are you ready for your briefing? Excellent. The accompanying material is confidential and approved for your eyes only. The enclosed document was recovered on 7/23/2017 from a crime scene that is still under investigation. Now, all details of this incident are classified above top secret. It is only being handed to you for special analysis. We wish to learn and verify the person or persons responsible for complying this document, and we need the information ASAP. The content of the document appears to have some relation to an investigation conducted by a special agent who worked under my command. The case involved a series of homicides in and around a small town called Twin Peaks. Now, unfortunately, as you may note, that case is considered closed. But, since some of it may be relevant to your work, we are going to grant you access to the aforementioned files and tapes. Good luck, and welcome to the archive.